Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jessica and this is my beauty and fashion channel. So for today's video, I got the new Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. I do already have the Electric Obsessions palette, which I've used quite a number of times. You can see it's pretty well loved. I just really like the quality of her shadows, and I'm a really big like red, orangey, brown tone, eyeshadow fan. So I haven't even opened it. I just got it in the mail. So let's pop it open right now. Comes in this like plastic case, and this is what the inside looks like. It's really pretty. So this is not available in Sephora stores in Canada, but it is available on Sephora.ca, which is where I ordered it from. I love the size of the palette because you can take it with you traveling. It's really small, like in comparison to my hand. You can see it fits right in my palm. So it's great for travel and going places. I'm going to do a couple swatches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes and 2 metallics. So let's start I'll start from the top. So this is the first metallic shade. And it looks like that. Oh my god. So pretty. At the top. Can you see? Sorry. Oh my god, that's a bad angle. In the center, we've got a very neutral peachy tone. A richer peach right beside it. We've got a pretty mustard. Oh, that's pretty. That's really nice. Coral peach, which is also really pretty. Final metallic shade. Which is like a dual chrome. So you can see right there. Really pretty. Yeah, so I'm not sure what look I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna just try something. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this neutral color right here in the middle, and I'm gonna pop it all over my eyelid as a base. So I like to get right in the brow bone and put it all the way up. So I've got the rest of my makeup done already. So yeah, we're just gonna work on the eye look today. If you want to see how I get my everyday natural glowy look, I will link that video down below. I just posted it the other day. Now, dun dun dun. If you can hear crickets, I'm really sorry. It's hot in here. I've got my window open and the crickets are out to play, I guess. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna use this one right here to start off as a transition. It's pretty dark, but I'm gonna deposit the color at the end and then buff it inward. And I'm gonna go all the way to the top of my brow and buff that into the brow. And just working in circular motions, I'm gonna buff it in. Are you guys excited that she's coming out with the remastered Rose Gold palette? I never bought her first palette. I have the Desert Dusk one. I'm obsessed with it. When I first got it, I used it like all the time. I still use it now. It's probably one of my favorite go-to palettes. And I never bought the rose gold one, but I'm thinking now that she's redone the formulas. I mean, I don't know how the formulas were on the other one. Maybe, you know, they could have been amazing. I have no idea. But it just, I seen the swatches on Instagram today and they looked so good. So I'm thinking that I just might grab it. Alright, so I'm also gonna put the same color on the lower lash line. I'm gonna use a smaller pencil brush. Okay, so far there's not much fallout. There's a little bit, but I can just brush it away. But really and truly, there isn't a lot. And I'm not being gentle. Like I'm going in with the shadow, you know. A little bit darker. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this bright coral shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in the crease also to intensify it a little bit. We're going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to use a small pencil brush, and I'm going to take this, the same color again. I'm going to run it on the lower lash line, just a little tighter. I'm going to take this terracotta right here, and I'm going to put it in like halfway on my lid. This is what it looks like so far. I'm really liking it so far. Now I'm going to take the yellow, and I'm going to go just about, oh, I touched it, just about to here. So about another third. I'm going to use this dual chrome metallic shade here, and I'm going to put it deep in my inner eye, like into the crease of my nose, and it'll meet with the yellow. So I'm going to go dry first. If I feel like it's not as intense as I want it, then I'll add some Fix Plus. Oh wow, it's so pretty. I'm going to blend the yellow into it a little more. You know what, guys? There's no rules in makeup. You know, and people are always like, oh, you gotta do it like this, you gotta do it like that. You gotta use this brush, you gotta use that brush. No, there's no rules in makeup. That's what makeup is. It's about expression and doing things your way and how you like it. And, you know, that's what I love about makeup. Do you see this highlight? This is the Rose Gold by Maybelline. Sorry, Molten Gold, which is like a rose gold. Yeah, it's so good. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to add eyeliner, which I'm really excited about doing on camera. I'm lying. The NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I got this new Lash Paradise that I haven't tried yet, so let's try it today. Oh, it looks like the Too Faced brush, which I'm obsessed with the Better Than Sex mascara. Let's see. Feels dry. Yeah, it feels kind of dry, the formula. I like the brush, but I don't know. I don't know yet. Maybe it's because it's brand new, but I feel like if it's brand new, it shouldn't feel dry at all. But like it's tugging on my lashes. Oh my god, but I really like this look. Okay, should I put lashes on? I hardly ever wear lashes. Okay, I'm gonna try to put lashes on. Let's try. Hey, hey. Listen, I look like I should be on a tropical beach. Alright, now for our lipstick, I'm gonna stick with the theme, and I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty liquid matte in Bombshell. And a tiny bit of blush. This is the Sephora blush palette. I got it a while ago. It's got like these shades in it. I'm just gonna use this corally shade. Okay, so this is the final look. I love all these palettes. Like, I want to get the rest of them. So friggin' good. They're 35 bucks Canadian. So right now I have 2. I think there's 6 altogether. So I need to buy some. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Leave me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I post lots of makeup pics there. I try my best to film videos. It's just really hard juggling job, children, husband, family, house. You guys know how life is, so I really appreciate all the support, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!